In under 3 minutes today, I'm going to show you 3 ways on how I use mask in Fusion so that I can still reuse the full original media in node to place underneath objects. This is perfect anytime you want to insert text behind something but still have that full background available. Let's check it out. First, as I zoom in here, we need to create a mask, and I'm going to use the ellipse mask because it's an easy circle, and we're just going to size this up and place it to the center. Once we get this sized up, what you might be used to doing from before is to plug this directly into media in, and what happens is it does mask it out, but we don't have information to use this media in for the outside pixels later on. Instead, one trick is to use a background node, and if you take the background, turn alpha to 0 so it's clear, you can actually take the media in 1 and merge that by kissing those two together. It creates a merge node. And then you can use the mask input of merge 1 by just dragging that to the blue input there. And we've cut it out and still have access to all the original pixels in media in 1. The channel Booleans is another great way, and it is one less node to use. If you hook up media in 1 to the input of channel Booleans, you can use the effect mask on channel Booleans by plugging your ellipse into there. And nothing happens by default. But that's just because you need to go to settings and there's an option for multiply by mask. Check it and you're good to go. Matte Control is another great tool you can use to do this. Plug the media into the input and then drag the mask into the, let's say the foreground this time. You can use it in this way and nothing happens, but that's because we need to change combine to combine alpha and also pulse multiply the image. This is another great solution. So this one also requires less nodes than the merge tool that a lot of people teach on YouTube. Now, how do we get text underneath all of this? Well, let's start by grabbing a text tool and we'll type something like "you're awesome," because you are. And we want to put this behind that cutout that we did. So it's actually really simple. All we're going to do, I'm going to sort things over here and we're going to take the output of the matte control and kiss that to the output of text. It automatically creates a merge. And now we have basically put the text underneath there. And you could even click and move that text around just like that. Now for the grand finale of getting that original background underneath it all we're going to be doing, you guessed it, grabbing another merge node. So we'll take the merge node, we'll take the full media in, plug it into the background, and let's use an option to create a little pipe connector that just gets it out of the way. It doesn't do anything else. And we're going to take our top comp there and place that on top of our background by just dragging into the foreground of merge, and we've put the comp all together. So there's basically 3 layers there. We've got the text right in the middle, and then to get it back to the edit page, we take the output of merge 2, and check it out. We go to the edit page, and we're done.